Okay, this is the Grand Lisboa Palace. These are some of the first tourists that are coming this way, or maybe not the first, but we don't know. I don't know if it's open or not, but this one is the Macau Palace, and this one opens tomorrow. So I have a separate video of this one. Here's a skyline, and we're gonna come into this one. So let's go check it all out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. We got somebody waiting for us. And we're gonna see if we can get a little bit closer to the Grand Lisboa by coming to the entrance. This one is closed until tomorrow. So we'll see if this one is open or closed as well. We're across from the MGM over there. Rua de Tennis, there's a tennis here, bowling alley, some other things. And I think we're gonna have to, they're making a decision. They're gonna go that way, so we're gonna go this way. And we'll just kind of see what we can see. So I don't know what to expect. I don't know if it's gonna be open or closed, but we're gonna find out. You can see a little bit of the Grand, a little bit of the Macau Palace right there. Zip City, and then on the other side of that there's going to be a giant indoor skydiving. So that's the entrance of this one. So I don't know if this one is going to be opening as well tomorrow or today, but we'll definitely find out in a minute. Versace Macau. Got a stairwell just to this stuff right here. So I think we'll have to go around. That one over there, there's you can see those factory things, and there's actually a prison over there. And way over there, there's actually a landfill. But we're gonna come in and see. Oh! Maybe it's closed. So we might just stop. That's kind of a cool fire engine thing. I can smell food though. I don't know if it's open or closed. We'll come in with some more footage in a minute and we'll find out. I'm gonna try to go around another way. Okay, so we just talked to the security guy who is just down there, that guy in the yellow, and he told us that this one will be closed for another 2 weeks at least. He didn't really say, there's no definitive date, but we'll give a little context. There's the MGM Casino, Sheraton Hotel over there. There's a Parisian behind that. There's a tennis courts, bowling alley, City of Dreams. That one is Wynn Palace, and this was the one that we can't get in, but we'll come back another time when we can. So this is a little update on the Grand Lisboa, I think it's called. So, okay, let's just walk. We'll walk with you guys a little bit further and just kind of hold the camera up and you can see a little bit into that space. A lot of birds. Okay. Grand Lisboa Palace, that's the name right there. You can hear some of the music. We'll just walk a little bit further and then, but yeah, you can see the design. Basically, it's kind of designed so that it looks like all the entrances are the front door. This is called Piazza Versace Macau. So I guess it has an Italian name for that one. I think it sounds Italian, but it's Portuguese. This lobby looks real nice. So yeah, it's kind of hard to know which one is going to be the front one because they all kind of angled around like this, like a kind of octagon kind of shape. Definitely hear the music. And I guess what we'll do is we'll just end it right there. You can see the name, Grand Lisboa Palace. Nice, beautiful entrance. Nice, everything. And we'll come back later and hopefully it'll be open before you know it. We can go inside as well. But as of today, it's not open yet.